Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to remove forgotten password pin pattern in your Galaxy A15 5G. So guys, if you forgot your password and you don't know the password, so what can you do? I am giving you a trick, but this method will erase all your data and reset your phone. So now firstly, you have to insert the data cable. Okay, after that, just tap to emergency call. In this section, you have to press power button and volume down button. After that, when the phone is turned off, you have to press power button and volume up button. Firstly, power button and volume down button. Okay, press power button and volume down button, volume up button. Okay, just release the power button, but make sure to press the volume up button. Okay, now as you guys see, we have this feature on this option, but the touch isn't working right now. So just use these keys, volume down key for going downward. Okay, now we have an option of a wipe data factory reset. So if you want to select this, so just press power button and then press volume down button to comes to factory data reset, and then press power button, and as you guys see, the data is now completely wiped. After that, just press on the power button to reboot your phone. Okay, now just take off the cable. Now guys, this is the half method. Now we have to, as you guys see, we have the icon of a lock here. That means the phone is still locked. So if you want to unlock this, you have to follow the step. Click start, agree all the option, click on setup manually. Okay, firstly just connect the Wi-Fi. So as you guys see, the Wi-Fi is now connected. Just tap on the next, and then the phone is start ready. And as you see, the phone is getting ready. Okay, now we have to enter the password, but as you guys know that we have forgotten the password, so we have another method. Just use your Google account instead, like the previously when you log in this device, the same Google account you have to enter here. Make sure guys you enter that same account which is already signed in on this device. Now just enter the password, click next here, tap on add previous account. So when the account is added, as you see, the lock icon is now disabled. That means the phone is now unlocked. Click don't copy, next, tap on don't restore, more, accept, skip. I don't want to set up the Google Assistant, so just skip it. As you guys see, the phone is getting ready. Now we have to sign in the Samsung account, but I don't want to sign in the Samsung account, so just tap on a forget password or I don't have any account, and tap to set up setting, skip, agree, agree again. Okay, now just choose your display mode, click finish, and that is it. So as you guys see, the phone is now completely unlocked and you can use it, but all the data will be erased. So that's how guys we can remove forgotten password pin or pattern in Galaxy A15 5G. So that is it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.